Install Windows 10 into VMware Workstation. In this video, we will discuss about how we can install Windows 10 operating system into virtualization environment with the VMware Workstation. So first, we need to create virtual machine. Just click on File menu, click on New Virtual Machine, select typical setting, go to the Next, select I will install the operating system later, then click on Next, select Microsoft Windows and select Windows 10. Just click on Next, Windows 10 for a demo. Where do you want to install this virtual machine? Just click on Browse, select the path. Where do you want to install it? I will install it into vhd underscore demo folder of D drive. Just click on Next. How much size of hard disk require for this virtual machine? I will assign 60 GB of hard drive. Just click on Next and just click on Finish. Now need to click on CD or DVD and now select ISO image file of Windows 10. It is Windows 10 image file. Just click on OK and power on this virtual machine. It will boot the DVD or ISO image file. Now installation process has been started. Operating system from image file is booting. It will take few seconds like Windows 8. Now need to click on Next button. Click on Install now. I accept the license terms and click on Next. Again select Custom like Windows 8. Create a new partition. Assign full size of the hard drive to the only one partition. Just click on Next. It will start the copying Windows file to the hard drive or getting files ready for installation. So let me pause this video for a while. Now it is going to be restart in a 2 or 1 second. Now virtual has been restarted. It will take few seconds to load operating system like Windows 8. Now Windows 10 has a new features of Cortana and assistant features. I have disabled voice from this button. Now just click on yes. Again click on yes. Skip it. Skip for now. Give computer name for this virtual machine. It will be Win10 demo. Click on next. Assign password same like Windows 8 123 at the rate blah blah blah. I don't want to make Cortana as my personal assistant. Click on accept. It will take a few minutes, so I am going to pause this video. Windows 10 installed successfully. Now please don't forget to install VMware tools using these options. Go to the CD or DVD and now need to install VMware tools. VMware Tools provides better video resolutions, better mouse or keyboard experience, you can see video resolution has been changed automatically. Just click on finish. You need to restart the Windows 10 operating system. So hope you understand how to install Windows 10 operating system. Thank you for watching this video.